Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're dealing with an exam question on algebraic fractions. Let's get started. As we can see here, in the denominators we have no letters. We've got three different numbers. So one approach can be to find the lowest common multiple of the three numbers, multiply everything by that. Alternatively, you can maintain the fractions by keeping the same denominators. Again, you would need to find the lowest common multiple, as there are three of them. That would be the best approach, I believe. So let's work out the lowest common multiple. I'm going to write down the three numbers, 4, 3, and 6. I'm using the table method to find the lowest common multiple. And in this method, we use only prime numbers to divide the numbers within the table. So I'm going to start off with the number 3, as it can divide both 3 and 6. So 4 doesn't get divided by 3, I'll just leave it as it is. 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 6 twice. Then I'll choose 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 1 remains the same, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then I divide by 2 again. 2 divided by 2 is 1. These two ones remain the same. Then I'll multiply these numbers to find the lowest common multiple. So my lowest common multiple is 3 times 2 times 2. And that is 12. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to try and make my three denominators 12. So for that to happen, I'm going to place my numerators in brackets as they have more than one term, and I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator in such a manner that all my denominators become 12. So in the first fraction, my denominator is 4, so I need to multiply by 3 to make it 12, and in order to maintain equivalence of the fraction, I'll multiply the numerator by 3 as well. The second fraction, I multiply the denominator by 4, so I multiply the numerator by 4. For the last fraction, multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, once I've done that, I will start expanding the brackets. So the first one is relatively simple. 3 times 3x gives me 9x. 3 times minus 2 gives me minus 6 over 12. The second one is slightly tricky. It's tricky not because of the expansion, but because of the negative sign. So I'm going to leave the minus sign outside here, and I'm going to write down a pair of brackets. I'm going to expand the numerator by multiplying out by 4, but I'm going to keep the answer of that within a pair of brackets. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 5 is 20 over 12. And finally, I'm going to expand on the right hand side. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times minus x is minus 2x over 12. Now when I expand this bracket here, or open this bracket here, all the signs are going to change. So 8x will become minus x and 20 will become minus 20 because of this negative sign. It's almost like it has been multiplied by the number minus 1. So I'm going to write this down as 9x minus 6 minus 8x minus 20. Everything over here now divided by 12. It's equal to 2 minus 2x. That'll give me x. 9x and minus 8x are like terms. So 9x minus 8x gives you x. Minus 6 and minus 20 are like terms. So that's minus 26 is equal to 2 minus 2x. I forgot over 12. Sorry. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by 12. When I do that, I need to make sure I put a pair of brackets for my numerators as they are more than one term. What this will do is on both sides, it'll cancel out the denominators. So I am only left with x minus 2, 26 is equal to 2 minus 2x. Now I'll get all the x's to one side, so I'm going to add 2x both sides. Run out of space, so I'm going to just separate my working out over here, and then I'll continue within this box over here. Okay, so x plus 2x is going to give me 3x minus 26 is equal to 2. Then I add 26. So that is 3x is equal to 28. Now divide both sides by 3. So x will be equal to 28 over 3. And as this is a fraction that cannot be simplified, you can either leave it as 28 over 3 or convert it into a mixed number. So 3 goes into 28 9 times, remainder 1 over 3. Either one of them should be fine. Okay, that's how we would approach this question. Thank you for watching.